Weeks since Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav launched the Voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, taking a stand against the ongoing SIR ahead of this year's assembly elections. Now, top leaders of the India bloc are set to join the march as well, including Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who would be next to be seen to join the Yatra, participating on the 26th and the 27th. And meanwhile, on the 27th of this month, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is expected to participate, followed by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on the 29th of August. Thereafter, Samajwadi Party Chief and former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav is also expected to join the Yatra by the end of this month. Next month in September, Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren, Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu are also expected to participate in the Yatra. Now, at the Yatra itself, Tejasvi Yadav also took a jibe at the Prime Minister, pointing to the FIRs that has been filed recently in two NDA-ruled states.
पर FIR करवाया, किस बात पे FIR हुआ? एक यूपी में FIR हुआ, एक FIR महाराष्ट्र में हुआ। जहां इनकी सरकार है वहां तेजस्वी पर FIR किया है। आप बताओ क्या कारण था? कारण यही था कि मोदी जी को तेजस्वी ने बोला कि ये जुमले की बाजार यानी जुमलों की बारिश करने बिहार आ रहे हैं। जुमले का दुकान बोल दिया, जो कि सच है कि नहीं है। हम पे अगर FIR हुआ है तो हम लोग डरने वाले नहीं।
Meanwhile, in Delhi, BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi has slammed the duo of Rahul Tejasvi, saying that they try vote chori in Bihar, but leaders from their own alliance are joining the Yatra are the real kingpins. He has added the ADR report showing Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy with the highest number of cases, followed by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin at number 2. Meanwhile, when it comes to the former Congress MP, Avinash Pandey has come out in the defense of Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Yatra against the Election Commission is meant to raise awareness amongst people, and the people will now take to the streets to protect Samvidhan.
बिहार में जो चल रही है पूरे देश की जनता को जागृत करने के लिए, और जिस प्रकार के संवैधानिक संस्था हमारा चुनाव आयोग पूर्ण पक्षपाती रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक अग्रिम संगठन के रूप में जो कार्य कर रहा है, उसके विरोध में और ये यात्रा निकली है। जिस प्रकार से लोकतंत्र में संविधान का सम्मान करते हुए जिन संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को जिम्मेदारी दी गई है कि लोगों के विश्वास को, लोगों के मतों को सही रूप में सरकार चुनने का मौका दिया जाए, लेकिन इस प्रकार की चोरी करते हुए जहां जहां भी ये सरकार इन लोगों ने बनाई है और जहां गैर भाजपाई सरकार है, उन सरकारों को भी गिराने के लिए, उन्हें उन सरकार की चोरी करने के लिए, डाका डालने के लिए इस प्रकार के ये विधेयक भी जो लाए हुए हैं, ये बहुत ही डरावने और मुझे लगता है कि गैर संवैधानिक है।
Well, as far as leaders coming in from the opposition bloc, which is called as the Mahagathbandhan there, now what is being said when it comes to other leaders of the opposition bloc are also expected to participate. Meanwhile, when we speak of Tejasvi Yadav, who has been booked in the case when it comes to the Prime Minister's tour of Bihar, in which he had alleged that the Prime Minister's promises to the people were actually a rhetoric, it was a jumla. But however, he says that he is not afraid and he will now continue as far as raising his voice against the ongoing exercise, as he believes that this vote chori narrative is going to be the biggest poll plank that has now been undertaken by the opposition to take on the NDA, that is when it comes to the BJP-JDU alliance, especially in the state of Bihar. But when we speak of the other leaders coming in from the BJP, including Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who has been taking on Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav, calling them as serial liars and quote-unquote saying that their brains have been stolen.
रोज म्हणतात वोट चोरी, वोट चोरी, वोट चोरी. यांचं डोकं चोरी झालेलं आहे, त्यातला दिमाग चोरी झालेला आहे. माझी विनंती आहे माझ्या सगळ्या लाडक्या बहिणींना, 25% यांच्याही करता आशीर्वाद मागा की यांना सुबुद्धी येवो, यांच्या डोक्यामध्ये थोडी अक्कल येवो. कारण खऱ्या अर्थानं आमच्या लाडक्या बहिणींच्या मताला हे जर चोरी म्हणत असतील तर यांच्यापेक्षा मोठे चोर कोण आहेत?
Well, Tetri is connected with us. Tetri, good morning. This chori narrative seems to be getting bigger and intensifying. Vote chori, bijli chori, now dimag chori. This seems to be, as far as when it comes to the narrative is building in Bihar, ahead when it comes to multiple leaders of the opposition bloc who are also expected to participate in the yatra.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Good morning to you and the viewers. First of all, let us talk about the Vote Adhikar Yatra. Definitely, this has created a buzz in Bihar, not just Bihar, but nearby states as well. And as far as other leaders joining the Yatra is concerned, then as you rightly mentioned, Akhilesh Yadav, MK Stalin, all these leaders are also going to join this Yatra. But the reason behind this is that the leaders of India bloc wants to show the strength. That is the show of strength. They want to show that they are together, they are united, and they are fighting against the NDA. They are fighting against the BJP government, against the central government for the kind of election system or for the kind of electoral process that is taking place time and again, say it in the Lok Sabha elections or in the assembly elections as well. Because we have been seeing that how Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has time and been attacking the sitting government, the central government for the entire electoral process, the political war of words going on. But here comes another jibe by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis. That is the Dimag Chori jibe, the brain chori jibe, where he is again making a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi as well. But yes, as far as all the leaders of India bloc is concerned, they are holding this yatra from one district to another, to the villages as well. They are approaching people, making them understand that how their names are being deleted, whose names are being deleted. They are still alive. So there is a lot of discrepancy in the voter list is what the India bloc has been saying. But on the other hand, we have also been seeing that how Election Commission not just once but multiple times have been clarified that if there is a discrepancy found, then let the opposition leader Rahul Gandhi come.
So the opposition has been claiming that Voter Adhikar Yatra has awakened the people and the current government was formed by chori or theft, and this is not a public mandate. But when we speak of the BJP, how they have been taking on the opposition, especially when it comes to the presence of the Prime Minister himself, as there has been multiple visits by the Prime Minister that he has made, and the development of the Vikas Bush has been big on the agenda.
Yeah. अब बिहार के भावी चुनावी रण में जिस प्रकार से आकर राहुल जी और तेजस्वी जी आकर चोर चोर का शोर मचा रहे हैं, अब हाल ही में उनमें से कौन अपराधों का सरताज बना हुआ है, इसके कुछ तथ्य सामने आए। एडीआर ने अपनी रिपोर्ट में यह बताया है कि देश में जिन मुख्यमंत्रियों पे सर्वाधिक मुकदमे दर्ज हैं, उसमें नंबर 1 पर हैं तेलंगाना के श्री रेवंत रेड्डी, संभवतः उन पे 89 दर्ज है। दूसरे नंबर पे हैं तमिलनाडु के श्री एमके स्टालिन, उन पे संभवतः 47 दर्ज है। अब मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, और आज ही यह खबर आई है कि कर्नाटक में कांग्रेस के एक पूर्व विधायक के घर पर 12 करोड़ रुपया कैश बरामद हुआ। इससे पहले झारखंड में तो 300 करोड़ से अधिक प्राप्त हो चुका है। पश्चिम
All right, this seems to be the narrative that is now being built ahead of the